What if you took all those favorite ingredients that you like on a burger and put them inside the burger? That's what we're doing today to make this bomb burger. So why is it called a bomb burger? Well, inside there is going to be bacon, onions, mushrooms, and some blue cheese crumbles. The first thing we need to do is cook up these three ingredients separately so they can cool down. Then we mix them with the burger meat and our blue cheese. So I'm gonna go over to the stove really quick, fry it up, starting with the bacon to get that fat released, and we're gonna add the onions and the mushrooms. Now that's a couple tablespoons of bacon chopped up, a couple tablespoons of onions sort of diced, and a couple tablespoons of mushrooms diced up. And we're just gonna cook those until they're nice and done, get them off there and let them chill down. All right, this is now gonna cool down, and I'm actually gonna pop it in the refrigerator so it really chills down because we want it cold when it mixes with our meat. Now, while this is cooling down, we're gonna go ahead and get two other components ready that are gonna dress up this burger. First one starts with about a 1/4 cup of mayo. To this, I'm going to add several generous grinds of some freshly ground black pepper. Mix this up. This is simply a pepper mayo that we're going to put on our bun when we build the burger. How simple is that to take ordinary mayonnaise, dress it up a little bit to make it into something terrific. Next up, for sort of the bottom of the burger on the bottom bun, we've got some arugula, and I'm going to dress this simply with some balsamic vinegar. Just a drizzle. Mix that up. I love arugula because it has such a peppery bite to it, and that's going to go really nicely with that pepper mayo. We're gonna have a lot of flavor inside the burger and a lot of flavor outside the burger. All right, that's ready. As soon as our components to go in the burger are chilled down, we'll go ahead and mix it up and form our burger. All right, our ingredients for the burger have been chilling down, and right here I have 1/2 pound of 85-15 ground beef. Yeah, 1/2 pound, we're gonna make a sizable burger today. Let me just sort of flatten this out. We're gonna dump our bacon, onion, and mushroom mixture in here. And to this, I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of blue cheese crumbles. Now, if you don't like blue cheese, you can add something else. If you're looking for another B to add so you can finish the word bomb, make it a bomb burger, add a tablespoon of bourbon, something like that. And we're just gonna mix everybody together. If some of our ingredients try and escape, we'll just press them into the burger after we form it. This is gonna be a good sized burger. All right, let's form this now. I have my burger ring here on a piece of parchment paper. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be kind of smoking this burger first to cook it and then finishing it with a sear. All right, this is gonna go in the refrigerator now for about 30 minutes just to help it firm up and hold together when we get it out on the grill. So the next time I will see you is out at the Weber kettle. Well, the Weber kettle is running at about 250 degrees, and that's what I'm going to keep it at until we sear. So let's get some salt on this burger and get it on so it can start kind of cooking indirect and getting a little bit of smoke. We're going to put some white oak on here for a little bit of smoke. I'm using the Mallory firewall to create the two zones, a direct zone and an indirect zone. And I'm using the Mallory cast iron grate. Get our burger here, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of salt on this side. Get a little bit of white oak on here. All right, we're gonna get the lid on and we're gonna come back in about 15 minutes and check the internal temp, see how it's doing. The ultimate internal temp I want when this is done is about 155 degrees. That's for me. That's the doneness I want. You have to choose how you like your burgers, how done you want them. All right, we've been going 15 minutes. Let's take a look at our burger and just check the internal temperature. It's not gonna be done, but I wanna get a gauge on how fast it's moving. Look at that blue cheese melting out of there. Let's go ahead and see here. Looks like we're at about 107 degrees. So what I want to do is get my grate over the area where we're going to sear the direct zone. Get that on there. And with the way the temperature's moving, I'm going to come back in 5 minutes and then we'll sear it. So we're going to put the lid on for 5 minutes, then we'll sear it. All right, we've been going another 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and sear this bomb burger. Turn. All right, that is looking good to me. And really, you want to check the internal temp. Mine's showing 135 right now, so I'm going to move it back indirect for probably about 5 to 10 minutes. We'll check the temp, and then we will build this burger. All right, I have my bottom brioche bun here. I'm going to get some of my arugula on here to create a nice little bed for a burger. And comes our burger. Get a nice big dill pickle on the top there, and maybe 2. We got room. Got my top bun right here. Gonna put some of our pepper mayo on it. And we crown it. There we go, our bomb burger. Let's have a taste. To make this manageable, I think I am gonna cut it in half, and it's gonna be probably a juice-a-lanch here. We'll see. Oh yeah. Before the flies carry this way, I'm gonna have a taste. There we go. Cheers. Oh man, the things we did to dress it up, that mayo, the arugula, fantastic, but that burger has the most flavor I've ever gotten in a burger. It is literally the bomb.